Okay, in the previous video clip, I discussed how we added an AC unit onto output 3. In this clip, I want to talk about it in a little bit more detail on how the Iponic 600 control temperature and by going through the different stages. We got a heater which is used to heat the room up, and we got the ventilation fan which can cool the room by exchanging air with the outside environment. And then we have the AC unit that if that's not enough, then we turn on the AC unit, which then cool the place down. So right now, this is daytime, day set point, and the set point is set for 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees. And the current temperature is 76.1. So it's in the normal range. No equipment are needed to be turned on right now. Let's take a look at the set point. Current set point, temperature set point, daytime. You see 70 and 77. If it's below 70, it will go to heating stage. And if it's above 77 degrees, it will go into, first it will go into cool 1 stage. And then if it's 3 degrees above that, 80 degrees, if it gets above 80 degrees, then we'll go to cool 2 stage. The separation of these stages can be adjusted by the unit as well. And also you can add other stages for cooling, up to 6, and you can add another stage for heating as well if you have multiple heaters. For now, let's leave it at the default, which is 1 heating and 2 cooling. And let's see what is the equipment set up at. So I'm going to hit home to go back home. Hit OK. I'm going to go to option 6, which is stages. Click OK, temperature stages, and you see the screen here. Again, heat 1, normal, cool 1, cool 2. By the default that we set up earlier, the system has set the heater. By itself, the system has set the heater to heat 1, checked. Cool 1, it'll check the vent fan box already, and cool 2, it'll check the AC unit. So if you can change these if you want. Let's say you go, if during normal stage I want my ventilation fan to be on, you can move the highlight over to that, click OK to check the box, and that's it. Let's click home and hit save. Then now you're normal, then the ventilation fan is on. Correspondingly, when the ventilation fan is on, change outside, the CO2 is cut off. So let's see how this works in action. Let's say we want to simulate the temperature getting warm in the room. The way I simulate that, I click OK. I'll go system setup. Click option 1, equipment setup. I click on that. I go to advanced for, click on that. Actually, I don't want to go there. I want to go to sensor, which is sensor setup. Click OK. Advanced sensor, calibrate sensor. And I'm going to navigate my way to inside. So temperature 76.1. So you can calibrate the temperature and adjust it. So 76.1 is the reading. You can add to it. So this is the reading that you see in the controller. So I'm going to move it to pretty much, I'm simulating the room getting warmer. So now I'm making like the room look like it's 81.5 degrees. Click OK. Okay, check, confirm that. Hit home to save. So 81.5. So that's well above the 77 level. So there's a delay in here. So after a few more seconds, it should switch over to cool 1. And in cool 1, ventilation fan is on. The AC is not on yet because you're still in cool 1. So I'm going to simulate cool 2 by bringing it up even more. Oh, now it's in cool 2. So the AC unit comes on and the ventilation fan is off. And that's how staging works for temperature.